You're welcome to our final episode of Successful Steps to Triangular Arbitrage Trades. Now, this episode is very, very important. I'm telling you, because just in case you do everything right and then something goes wrong and your trade doesn't get executed, what will you do? This is the one that's going to save your life. Your trading life. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and give a like to this video. So let's get into this thing you need to do. But before you get into it, I've got something to share with you. Did you know that we have launched our new ebook called 5 Mega Strategies, where I documented the 5 parameters, the 5 important strategies, and the 5 steps you need to take to be able to get win rates of over 85% in your trading adventures. Yes, all you have to do is click on the link in the description and you'll get this ebook plus a tutorial video explaining all these steps to you. Yeah, and it's a ridiculous price, trust me. Next thing that I want to share with you is what I call our access to the wonder tool that we use to get consistent triangular arbitrage signals and inter-exchange arbitrage signals. Now, when you get access to this, you either get 7 days login access or 30 days login access, depending on whichever one you want. You can click on the link in the description to talk to me and get access to all of these things. But here's what you get. You get 7 or 30 days login access to the Wonder Tool, and you also get the recorded tutorial of how to use the tool, because it's very important you have that by your side as you're doing, taking trades on that platform, right? Then you get a copy of my ebook for free and the full training videos of our training program. Now, this point is very, very important. I give you 2 days or 3 days, right? Personalized one-on-one classes to take trades together. You're wondering, what's the name of the tool? Find out. Click on the link in the description and find out. Yeah, it's a secret. You don't expect me to tell you the name on this video. Go ahead and click on the link in the description and talk to me, and then we'll find out together. So let's get into the strategy that will help you have an escape route if everything goes wrong on your trade. All right, so we're back here in ARPA USDT. Remember, it was our winner. We were able to get like 2% profit from it after we did the deep dive. Okay, so we're going to test it again, because I tell you, when it comes to triangular arbitrage signals, they're not permanent. Okay, they can disappear even within few seconds. So that's why you have to try it and check it over and over again. So to check to see whether this really is still a profitable trade, before we talk about the strategy, now the strategy is called the boomerang strategy. So just hold on, I'm going to tell you how to use it, right, to have an escape route if things go wrong, right? Because you need to have an escape route, you need to have an exit point if after doing everything right there's still a problem. Okay, and that's why I'm here to let you know that sometimes things might go south. So it happens. Okay, yeah, so let's quickly check on this. Go to the charts again and let's see. Oh, now this is coming down a little bit, so we are going to check to see whether this trade could have been still good. Let's see. Okay, this is 0149. Okay, 0147. Okay, the profit potential has reduced, but I'm still seeing that there's still a difference. But let's just see. It's not going to be the same. Don't forget that it's not the same time that we checked that other one that we're checking this one. So things are going to be different. And that's just so that you know that things keep on evolving every single time. Click on this. So let's assume that we pick this trade, right? Let's just quickly look at it and see whether it could still be profitable. We'll just do the basic simulation, okay? And like I said, if it's sounding like Greek, if it's sounding confusing, click on the link in the description and chat with me, okay? So let's put in $100 very quick, and then we will take this. Oh, this 0.4 thing is not what I want to see, but let's just see. Let's copy it. Then we'll quickly go and sell it to ARPA. ARPA, which one? ARPA BTC. Do we have that there? ARPA BTC. No, we don't have it there. So we are going to go and quickly pick it. Is it ARPA? What is it? ARPA BTC. Ah, I just picked that without even checking. Let's check one more time to be sure we're still good. Okay. Oh, good. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. So then I'm going to click on the buy, but it's actually the sell that we really want. We want to sell. Okay. So let's put in our ARPA here. Let's put in the, oh, now we have to remove the 4 So we will now copy this out and see what we get. So let's copy that out. Copy. Okay. Then we go to BTC USDT. Can we find that here? I think I still have it here. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's still here. So we're just doing this very quickly so that we'll see the difference, and then we'll be able to see the strategy that we really want to use. So now I'm going to paste this in here. Okay. Oh, okay. Like I told you, the profit will be low. It's now $1.3, right? But it still has profit. So let's assume we took this trade, right? And we set a sell limit. I'm going to go back and show you. Let's assume we set a sell limit to ARPA BTC. So I'm going to go back and not there, not there. I'm going to go back and pick our ARPA USDT. I just wanted to be sure that there's profit there. So I came to ARPA USDT, and then I put, after checking that everything's going to be fine, I put in $100. Okay, and then that $100 gave me 6752.1. So let me copy that. Okay, okay, let's just copy that. So now we have bought ARPA USDT. Take note of the price. The price is what? See, this is not good. We have to refresh. We've got to refresh. Can you see that? We've got to refresh. Interesting. Interesting. Look at the price. Let me put my $100 here again. Okay, so it's now a different number. Let's copy it out. So I copied that, and then I bought it. Don't forget I bought it right now. And then I go to try and sell this to ARPA BTC. So did you notice, did you take note of the price? Let me go back. Take note of the price. Take note, you need to take note of the price. The price was 01475. Oh, the price has gone up high. Now this is important. This is good. Can you see that? 0147. Oh, the price is going up high. The price is going up high. But I'm not going to change the price now. So now let's assume we have bought it for 0175. 01475. I'm not going to change the price. So I'm going to come over to BTC. Now, this is where the boomerang strategy works. I want to share with you what I call the boomerang strategy, okay? If anything happens. Boomerang strategy. So now it's still on here. So if I come here and I click on sell, so don't forget, this is the number I have. I have this number. I'm going to remove that 6 because it's not noticing the decimal point. So we have this amount. So I have set my sell limit order, right? So we have set the sell limit order to get an amount. So let's go ahead. So this is what? 6779. Just watch this. 6779. Take note of that. 6779. Okay. Take note of that because we are going to use it to get our boomerang strategy. All right. So we come back to BTC. Let's even see how much it will give us. 6779. Don't forget that. So I'm going to paste in that here and see whether it was profitable, whether it was supposed to be profitable. Okay, it's not bad, but it has gone on a bit, 1.2. So let's assume that I have already set my sell limit. And I have gone to ARPA BTC. Where is ARPA BTC? I have set my sell limit. Don't forget, it was 6779. Remember that? I set my sell limit. It's in the trade, and I'm waiting. So 1 hour passes, 2 hours pass, a whole day passes, and this trade doesn't execute. What is going to happen? That means we need to use the boomerang strategy. The boomerang strategy just tells us that we will go back to ARPA USDT. Remember that we bought it for what? How much did we buy it for? We bought it for 01475. Remember that. Remember that. Okay? We bought it for 01475. Now the price has gone up to 01480. Then we will sell it back. Simple. So what are we going to do? We will but sell it back. It's 01480. I'll put in my ARPA. Let me see. Oh, sorry. I'll put in my ARPA. That was 6779. Remember 0.6. Now, the profit is not going to be that much, but at least I'll make something. At least I'll make some money. You can see that it's now appreciated. The coin has gone higher. So what we have just technically done is that we've gotten our money back through spot trading. That's what we did. We just did backdoor spot trading. The boomerang strategy was just like, okay, I bought it at 0175. try to sell it on BTC. It's taken 1 day, almost 2 days, and then I come back and ARPA USDT has gotten higher. I'll just sell it back and just make a little bit of exchange on it. It might not even be much, but at least you've gotten your money back. This is the escape route. I hope you've learned something. I hope it makes sense. This is what I call the boomerang strategy when all hope is almost lost. When it looks like as if the trade is not going to execute in BTC, you come here and sell back. It's just spot trading, really. Backdoor spot trading. I hope you've been able to learn a lot, right? These are the things that you can do to execute your trades well. This is the reason why this is coming as a last episode, because if you've done everything and your trades don't execute, make sure you try out what? The boomerang strategy, because that has been a lifesaver for some of my triangular arbitrage trades. Yeah, that's it. So that is my little piece of advice. Don't forget, if all of this sounds like it's Greek, come on, I'm here. Just click on the link in the description, and what's what you're going to get? You will get this very awesome deal where you can get access to our Wonder tool and login access, 7 days login access or 30 days login access. You'll get the tool, you'll get the recorded tutorial for the tool, you'll also get my ebook, and then the full training videos for everything that we are going to do in spot trading, in inter-exchange arbitrage, in triangular arbitrage, and of course 2 live classes or 3 live classes with me, because I'm going to hold your hand step by step. I hope this has been a very interesting journey. You've learned a lot. If you have, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think, and I'll be waiting to receive your messages, and we'll take it up from there. God bless all your trading ventures in Jesus' name. Take care.